Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Easy Assembly 8-Cup Food Processor. We found this fantastic food processor online, and you can check the description below for the link to see its latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 food processor is designed to make food preparation a breeze. With its easy assembly feature, you can quickly get started on your culinary creations without any hassle. The food processor comes with an 8-cup work bowl, making it an ideal companion for both small and large cooking tasks. Whether you're whipping up a batch of salsa for a party or mixing nut butter for your morning toast, this food processor is ready to take on the challenge. One of the standout features of this food processor is its easy assembly design. Unlike traditional food processors that require a bit of a wrestling match to get everything locked in place, this model simplifies the process. You simply set the work bowl onto the base, and the lid acts as a locking mechanism. This means less time fumbling around and more time enjoying your culinary creations. The 8-cup work bowl is another highlight. This generous capacity allows you to process larger quantities of food at once, which is perfect for meal prepping or entertaining guests. Imagine making a big batch of hummus or slicing vegetables for a salad without having to do it in multiple batches. That's the convenience this food processor offers. Now, let's talk about the stainless steel S-blade. This durable blade ensures that your ingredients are chopped and mixed quickly and consistently. Whether you're dicing onions, grinding nuts, or pureeing veggies for a soup, you can count on this blade to deliver excellent results every time. Another fantastic feature is the reversible slice/shred disc. This metal disc allows you to effortlessly slice vegetables or shred cheese, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. If you've ever experienced tired forearms from manually shredding cheese, you'll appreciate how this feature can make your cooking experience much more enjoyable. The BLACK+DECKER food processor also features easy clean touchpad controls. With low, high, and pulse settings, you have full control over your food processing tasks. The powerful 450W motor ensures that food is processed quickly and efficiently, so you can move on to the next step in your recipe without delay. So, who is this food processor suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who loves cooking but wants to streamline the food prep process. Whether you're a busy parent looking to whip up healthy meals for your family, a student navigating your first kitchen, or a culinary enthusiast wanting to experiment with new recipes, this food processor is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's discuss some practical use cases. If you enjoy making fresh salsa, the BLACK+DECKER food processor can chop tomatoes, onions, and cilantro in a matter of seconds. For those who love baking, it can easily shred cheese for your favorite recipes. Are you a fan of dips? This food processor is perfect for whipping up hummus, pesto, or even guacamole. The possibilities are truly endless. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Easy Assembly 8-Cup Food Processor is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliance that can save you time and effort in food preparation. With its innovative design and powerful features, it's an ideal choice for anyone who loves to cook. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.